Okay, so yesterday we went through a little bit on rational number. We are at 2.4. What page is that, class? Page 10. Thank you. So now I want to continue with the example. So we all know that rational number must be able to be expressed as a fraction where the denominator is not a zero. And then all integers are rational number, fractions are rational number. But is pi a rational number? No. Okay, so example 1. There are many ways of doing this. The preferred way as printer is to change to improper and then get a common denominator. Okay, so now we are very good with negative numbers. Let us continue with this example. Example 2. So let me start. Since Louis is standing, Louis continue with this question. Louis, we have negative 3 over 8. Oops, the page jump again. But over there, I hear talking. Are you okay? Okay, so I quickly go and find my negative 3 over 8. Then what is the thing I need to do to 1 and 1/4? Yeah, very good, 5/4. So Mrs. Liao is going to write negative 3 over 8 plus 5 over 4. And I'm going to get something which I need to do now. Change the 5/4 to, thank you, to 10 because times 2, right? Yes, Garrett, we have something to say. Oh, it's supposed to be negative, so Mrs. Liao is wrong. I need to put bracket, and then I do something to the negative 5. So what should I do? I should have negative 10. Do you all understand? Once I open up the bracket, then I times 2, I get negative 10. So Louis, what's my final answer? Negative 1. That is because you change the improper fraction to proper fraction. Very good. Well done. Can we move on to the next page? Louis, please call someone. Ryan. So now we are going to look, do I need to change to improper fraction? Next. Sure, you tell me what you want me to write. 6 over 9. Negative 6 over 9. Minus negative again change to improper fraction. Thank you. 20 over 9. Okay, continue. Then what do I get? No, I have negative 6 over 9 plus 20 over 9. When you add together, what do you get? Yes, 14 over 9. And I'm going to get 1 and? Thank you. Well done. Please call someone. Yeah, very sensitive. Cannot. Gerard, okay. Wow, Gerard, now we have 3 fractions, but we are going to do this one at a time. So can you tell me what is negative 2/3 as improper fraction? Seven over 3, very good. Plus with a negative sign, I get minus. (13 over 4), very good. Okay. I know your primary school teacher has introduced many methods, but this is what I'm going to introduce. I will make one whole as something over something. So Gerard, what is the denominator I should aim to get? 12. So one whole I will make 12 over 12. What about the 3? 3 times what gives 12? Times 4. Good. So this one times 4 I get 28 over 12. And then the other one times 3. Good. 13 times 3 I get 39 over 12. Then now I'm going to combine all as a single fraction. And I put the numerator as 12 minus 28 minus 39. Do you need your calculator to work this out? Let me allow you to use your calculator. And let's wait for him. Some of you can also work out. Negative 55 over 12. Good. And what is this? Negative 4n. (48) 55 minus 48. 7 over 12. Good. 7 over 12. Well done. Please call someone. Wow, we are fast. We are nearing the end. Yeah, the summary page will be the end. Now we are going to look at multiplication and division of rational numbers, both positive and negative. So we have Xavier. Okay, so like addition and subtraction, we are going to change to improper fraction. What will I get? 9 out of 5 times negative 1 over 3. Can I do cancellation? 9 becomes 3, 3 becomes 1. Then what do we have? I must highlight something important. Not forgetting our negative sign. Yes. So my answer is expected to be positive or negative? Negative. Negative. Negative 3 over 5. Very good. Can I use this chance to share with you something? Okay. Do you think that, thank you Xavier, you can sit down. Do you think that this statement is true? Are they all the same? Do they have the same value? Do you think they are all the same? Some say no. Then I ask you, if I take negative 1 divided by 2, will my result be positive or negative? Negative. I'll get negative half. Are they the same? Yes. If I take 1 divided by negative 2, is my result positive or negative? Negative. Negative. Still negative half. So are they all the same? Yes. Yes, they are all the same. So it doesn't matter where you put the negative sign. You can put the negative sign right in front of the fraction in the middle, or you can write the negative sign giving it to the numerator or giving it to the denominator. They all mean the same, they have the same value. Can? So I can also say that negative 3/5 is the same as negative 3 over 5 is the same as 3 over negative 5. Okay? Alright. Xavier answered last. Can I ask Xavier to call someone? Sean. Sean. What is the meaning of power 3? Very good. Sean. Can I ask you, what answer will I be expecting? What kind of answer? Sorry, positive or negative? Very good. Negative. I put negative sign right in the middle. What is 3 times 3 times 3? Now that I've settled the negative nature, the answer will be negative. Now I go and look at the value. 3 cubed. Good. 5 cube. Yeah, 1, 2, 5, your friends are right. So, this will be my answer. Understand? Can do this fast? Can. Good. Who needs me to explain again? Nobody. Okay. Sean, please call someone. Huh? Hi, Louise. My primary school teacher has taught me something about division sign. I can change division to multiplication. Okay. So what should I do if I change divide to times? Oh, very good. I flip my numerator and denominator, and I cannot forget I have negative sign. Yes? So I put negative 81 over 20. Then I change. Okay, can I do cancellation? Which one can I cancel first? 4 and 20. So I will cancel 4, I get 1. 20, I get small 5. Okay, good. Next, 9, I get 1. 81, I get 9. Okay. Pupils who are careless will miss out the negative sign. So you must be very careful. Read your own handwriting well. Okay? Please make sure you are careful about the sign. And what do I get? And should I change to proper fraction? Yes, I should. Equals to. Well done, Louise. Please call someone. Joshua. Joshua, don't worry. There are 2 parts, A and B. A and B. So later on you can call someone. Wow, but I don't have space. I don't have space. So Mrs. Liao is going to try my best to squeeze A. Okay. Joshua, what can I do now? I settle the thing in the bracket first, okay? Can I do cancellation? Which one first? Okay, I follow you. 3 and 5. I get 1 and 5. Anything else? 2 and 4. Okay, very good. I get 1 and 2. So I have 1 minus, oops, wrong color. 2/5, whole thing square, right? Then plus 3 out of 5. Okay, sit down, call someone. 一姐 please stand. What should I do now? Square, 2 square, 4, 5 square. Yes. Very good. Well done. You can do 2 steps in 1 line. 很好. Mrs. Liao says I want to save space, right? I try to squeeze below, okay? Can you all see? Okay, I write over. So my 25 is my denominator, correct? 1 or I want to take 25 as 1 as 25 over 25. Can understand? Then I minus 4 plus 15. Okay. 25 minus 4 is 21. 21 plus 15? 36. Do I have space below? I try to see. Ayo, no space. So I want to squeeze here, okay, class? I know not supposed to write 2 equal sign on 1 line, but no space. 36 over 25. Proper fraction. 1 and oh, well done. Good. Okay, I want to pause. Alright, so for this part B, please try on your own. And the answer you are going to get is -2 and 19 over 24. Okay. Yay, we are at the very last page of the notes. Other than that will be the summary. I want to teach you. Should I teach you this part? Yes, I want to teach you. Okay, please take out your calculator. Okay, this part is based on calculator. Okay, I think Yijie is ready. Yijie, can you tell me 5 over 8 as a decimal? Yes, use calculator. So he's calculating 0.625. Thank you. Do you think this decimal will continue? No more, right? So this is called a terminating decimal. Okay, call someone. Hans, please tell me 4 over 128 is? Thank you, 0.03125. Is this terminating or repeating? Terminating, thank you. Hans, call someone. Yijie. 7 divided by 9, what do you get? .7. Is it recurring? Yes. Oh, what does your calculator show? Do you have an 8 at the end? Yes. So do you think this is terminating or repeating? But it has to terminate. Why does our calculator terminate? You hang out, okay. So you all understand that this is repeating? What is a symbol to show that it will repeat? Okay, so Mrs. Liao is just going to use the dot, okay? No space again. I write very clearly. Trying my very best. Okay, 0.7. There's a dot on top. It's called recurring. Okay, recurring decimal. Okay, what about the next person? Brian. Brian who? Brian Neo. Right? 2 over 11 is? Trying his best. 0.18181818. Both 18 has a dot, right? But then dot very ugly, so we put 2 dots trying to become a dash. So Daniel is right, very good. What about 22 over 7? Call someone. Repeating, thank you. Yeah. So Brent is still writing down. We give him some time. Okay, call someone. Brent not ready. Call someone, Ryan. Okay, he's ready. 22 over 7. Yeah. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Repeats itself, right? Repeating. Then the pi. Repeating or non-terminating? Oh no, it doesn't repeat. Neither. We call it non-terminating. It doesn't stop. There is no stop to it. Oh my goodness. What about square root of 2? 1.41 什么啊 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 2. Is there any pattern? No pattern. Our calculator has limitation. It is not a supercomputer. So this as well is not terminating. Non-terminating. Okay, wow. We have 2 types. No, 3 types of decimal. Yes, Yijie has a question. Because your calculator shows 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, right? Because our calculator has limitation. Yeah, but if I use a laptop, I go and key in, right? It shows repeating. Your calculator doesn't show. It stops at certain decimal places. Okay. Interesting. 3 types. What are the 3 types? First one, terminating. Second, repeating. Last one, non-terminating. So, are these 2? Actually, not and is. Please change the grammar. So it should be are. 22 and pi terminating or repeating decimal? Okay, 22 over 7 is what? This one is terminating. No, this one is repeating. All the ting 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 ting. So confusing, Repeating. Repeating. Pardon my handwriting. Then what about pi? Pi is neither. Dun, 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 dun. So, conclusion. I have 3 minutes left. Mrs. Liao feels a bit stressed now. I want to do the conclusion next time when I revise this topic again. What I want to introduce to you now is something mind-blowing that I shared with the other group yesterday. 0.9 equals to 1. I challenge you. Huh? So how? It is, right? Yes? So can I challenge you? This is true, yes. Okay, yes. Let me prove to you. Class, can I ask you to listen? Okay. Can I ask you to listen? Okay, those of you who are with me, you already know the answer. Okay, 1/3, if you press your calculator, what do you get? 0.333333, right? Which is 0.3 recurring, right? Then, 3 times 1/3 gives us 1. But 3 times 0.333 recurring gives us 0.9. 0.9 recurring. So, since 1/3 is 0.3 recurring, and if I times 3 to both sides, shouldn't then be the same thing? And if you trigger happy in your calculator, you press 0.9999999 all the way, then you press equal. What do you get? 1. No! But you told me 1/3 shows me 0.33333. Another way to prove. If I let 0.9 be x, I mean the 0.9 recurring be x. Then if I times 10, times 10 means I shift a decimal place, right? Then 9 should be 9. Then I subtract, 9x becomes 9. All the tail will be cancelled. So isn't x 1? So isn't x at the beginning 0.999 equals to 1? Oh! So telling this to you, I can give you homework. Okay, homework will be. No, it's true.
Either this is true or 3 over 3.
Okay, I give you a few but difficult. 9ACE, comma, write down please. 11AC, comma. You're wrong. AC only, not ACE. AC.
1.
Then 14. Okay, I'm giving you this for the HBL also. 大家我们要加油 ，OK？ 15 ACE and 19 is not optional. This one must try. Must try because I already taught you this one. 19. Yeah, must try. Yes. Okay. I will end my lesson here. Pause.